Guys, presentartist here, and today we are playing some Star Wars Galaxy of Heroes, I think. I don't know, I don't remember. Yeah, I think it's that name. And we're going to do some Bronzanium data card packs. So let's jump into the action. 250. Let's see. I don't even know what that is. Some item. I got another item. And I got another item. How valuable? I got another item. Got another item.
Aren't you glad you had supper already?
I got another gold that time. And I got some shards. I don't use shards, but I'll take what I can get. I got another item. You can actually obtain full heroes, I think, not just shards. Ooh, I think those are rare or something like that. I don't know.
You will start cleaning this room
300 credits.
now.
NK2 Dynamajigger. NK1 item.
Clean clothes, why did them the mess?
Another item.
Everything.
So far I'm getting nothing, and I only have
Start
a few
cleaning
more.
now.
I got whatever that is. Anyway, sorry guys, I don't know why I'm not that enthusiastic when I usually am. I just want to pull a guy. Okay, ooh, I haven't seen one of those yet. And there. So now that I did that, let's go here. Let's go to achievements. I didn't even know I could complete any. And this. Got 2 Darth Vader shards and some money. It's all about that money. Let's go here and let's check out how many stuff we have. This morning I got 12 shards for Plo Koon from a 350 gem pack, which I wanted to obtain the full version, but oh well. Now let's do a light side and a dark side battle. Let's start off with light. I'm on hard mode stage 2. So let's jump into this. Yes, I'm going to use them. And here we go. Oh, maybe I should have equipped some of my stuff. Also, if you heard some noise in the back, that's just my dad and my sister. So, yeah, and if you hear a dog, that's just my brand new puppy. If you don't know who he is, his name's Murphy. Go check the video and a Freddy Mystery Gamer and play with my puppy. Yeah, that's the video when I play with him. Anyway, but to use Chewbacca, do this. When we're hitting that guy on the left is taken out. We'll shoot him with the rifle. Want to do this? Bam, body check him, and shoot him. Then I'll force attack him. Shoot him like that. And shoot this. I necessarily usually don't use my skills that quick, but yeah, after this, I guess no. After this level, I guess it's gonna be time to end the video and wrap it up. But we still got a bit, so let's take out this Geonosian spy or commander. My bad. These are the spies. The guys are invisible. Okay, let's go ahead and take him out. Bam. Let's make them all target my Chewbacca. Attack them. Take them out. Bam. They're forced to attack Chewbacca. So now let's go ahead, force push. Shoot him in the head. And shoot him in the head. Dead. Bam, bam. You kind of body checked them, I guess. No, stop attacking. Die. He dodged? No. Enough with that dodging. There. There we go. Last encounter, and then the video will end.
Down. That's a good boy. Put it down. There you go.
Maybe I should use my smart shield. That probably would have been smart. So let's do this. Let's heal all of our guys up.
Come here. Down here with Lisa.
Body check him.
Down here with
Put
Lisa.
him down. There we
Come
go.
on.
Stop talking my Luke. No,
Yeah.
bad.
That's because you keep barking.
Die.
You can help her clean. You're not cleaning. You're talking on the phone. Well, I
Take
want
him
you to
down.
clean. No, you're not. You're not even doing it at all.
There we go. Take him out. And anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I guess I'll see you guys next time. Bye.